Notice I'm coming under here with the weight transfer. I'm not trying to place his knees. But gosh, just let them just have fun. Weight transfer, working on that leg coming in. What you doing? I've been working, as you know, with this little man since he was about 4.5 months old. And with his head size and the surgeries and so forth, I wouldn't say I promised his older sister, but she had asked, when is he going to crawl? And I said around 9 to 10 months because he's putting it all together. But in this case, he's got to be more in proportion with the size of the head with the body. But he was just too out of proportion back there. So he's just about there. Yeah, he's got good visual memory. Social skills are there. All the skills are there. I let him be successful, and then coming in, I don't want him to necessarily pull up through his arms. The crawl track is there for weight transfer. When you're dealing with a heavy baby, and I don't mean heavy weight-wise per se, you know, in his case, when you have a shunt, the system just gets heavier. But it's just allowing that weight transfer for him to be successful. When a baby or anybody that you're working with, it's you or I, is successful at doing something, then they're more active to do it again, to use it, to include it in. There, see? So you're just using this all to get synchronized. and then let him, notice I'm letting him actually get to the object. It's really common that people, you know, they get so close and you get pulled it away. And look at that. Look at the way he could process his vision with everything that he's doing. He really has superb vision despite having all the cranium. He had 7 brain surgeries, but his vision is amazing. So watch him again. Watch his eyes. So come back. So notice again how he can keep his eye on the prize. That's how I know he's so close with crawling. And then see, too, how he can be social with his vision. Working on the valves. There. Oh, now we decided on a new toy. So just switch that out so it's more centered. Notice I'm coming under here with the weight transfer. I'm not trying to place his knees. But gosh, just let them just have fun. Weight transfer, working on that leg coming in. Never static pose. He's not a table. He's already bringing his arms out, and he always has to go back to see what Betsy's doing. You know, if you can get that vision first, everything else will come. See, watch the eyes. See how he can maintain it, and he's going at, see, again, you know. His eyes are the most important features, and your child's eyes are the most important feature in all their milestones. That vision is too important, and just that social, that glaring, and don't his blue eyes match his outfits? But as you can see too, he's not getting tired. His proportions are there. The weight transfers onto the hands. If I bring him up, great. See that absolute horizon? If you don't know what that is, I just did a really nice feature on it yesterday or the day before about going in and out of that horizon, and then he just comes into it.
Let's find all the farm animals.
It's okay to help your baby in different ways, but you have to stay within the principles of movement. And with this, it's weight transfer. He's just a big boy. For me to hold him like this, I would take away from his movements. So this isn't creating it. It's just supporting the movements I need. And let them just play it out. We don't do anything perfect the first time, but he's getting the coordination. Have a great week.